everybody and welcome back to my channel, and a big hello and welcome to you if you are new. My name's Tabby. I'm a full-time working mummy of one little boy, and I make videos on hauls, come shopping with me, cleaning, interiors, all sorts of things. So if you like a surprise, you're in the right place, because you never know what video you're gonna get or when you're gonna get it. So today I thought I'd show you some absolute beauties of some bits and pieces that I picked up from Home Bargains. And unlike my last haul, this time I remembered to keep the receipt. Hooray! So I can actually tell you what everything cost. Bit of an epic fail on my last one, so apologies for that. So what I think I'll do with this haul is I'll start out with the more everyday bits, and hopefully it'll get more and more and more and more exciting as we go through. I'll save the best bits till last, and hopefully by then you'll be exploding with Home Bargains bargain excitement. So for Dolph, that's my little boy, I picked up this A3 drawing pad, which is £1.49, and this messy mat, which was £1.29. He's getting more and more into his crafts and drawing. He got loads of colouring books, but no actual like paper. So I thought I'd get him his own pad of paper so that he can like be creative to his heart's content, and the messy mat so that he can be creative but not on the carpet. I got these because I haven't seen them before. They're basically naked Skittles. They're Skittles but without the shell. Thinking about it now, I don't actually know how I feel about these, because I kind of find biting the shell Skittles quite satisfying. So for Dolph, possibly to share with Mummy, I got these Peppa Pig Muddy Puddles. They look so cool. It's basically Peppa Pig shaped shortcake biscuits with a pot of milk chocolate dipping sauce. Oh my goodness. Like, I don't care if they're Peppa Pig, I want them. I'll see if Dolph likes them. If not, I am claiming these as my own. They look absolutely delicious, and they kind of fit in with the whole like Peppa Pig Muddy Puddles thing. Somebody had a brainwave with these. I'm impressed. I'd normally buy quite a lot of cleaning products in this kind of haul, but I am trying to find more eco-friendly alternatives and also chemical-free alternatives to use. But one cleaning product that I really do rate and love is the 1001 Carpet Fresh. I have, I think, every flavour of this that's available. I like to mix it up so that I'm not always using the same fragrance. This is a limited edition that I saw in Home Bargains. It was £1.89, and this is a limited edition Spring Blossom and Mandarin. And it's a really nice, like, fresh, light, fruity fragrance, and it's just perfect for like really high traffic areas or the rug or where the dog sits, just to keep it smelling fresh and non-funky. It's getting towards summer, isn't it? It's getting towards summer, which is the time when we crack open the old fake tan, and I'm not any good at it. I'll just be honest now, I am the worst at trying to apply fake tan. If you want streaky, look for me. If you want your hands stained, look for me. I just can't do it. So in Home Bargains I saw this. It's like a paint roller but for fake tan on your body, and thought, yeah, because that's gonna work. But it does say for seamless tanning application, so I'm hoping this isn't going to let me down. I thought if it's got a handle, surely I'm not going to get like stained hands, and I can probably reach areas that I wouldn't otherwise be able to reach. So I thought this sounded like a good concept. And this was £1.99. So if this solves all my fake tanning problems, I will go back and get a whole host of more of these, because normally I tend not to bother with fake tan just because I'm so bad at it. I need to watch some fake tanning advice videos. I bought some party wares. I bought some party bits. Now, have I got a party booked? No. Am I intending to have a barbecue party? Yes. Do I have a barbecue? No. So I do have a bit of a party planning problem, but I do like some funky napkins. I'm assuming these are for Easter, but I was like, I'm all one to promote a vegetable. So if I'm having a party for kids and I can promote carrots, then I'm gonna do it. These were only 59p and there's 20 in here. I just thought for little ones, these are just brilliant, aren't they? Maybe if you have like a themed party, what would that be? Like a rabbit themed party or a vegetable themed party? Because that's a great idea. Toddlers are gonna love a vegetable themed party, aren't they? Go home now, Tabby, just go home. You can tell all the kids are gonna remember Dolph's pies because they're just gonna be terrible. I like the carrot napkins, okay? They were 59p. There's got to be a point in life at some point that arises that you need a carrot-shaped napkin. Also for a party that doesn't exist, but these just got my juices flowing, were these. Oh my god, these are possibly the most amazing party plates and cups I've ever seen in my whole life, and I will have a party just to use these. These holographic cups were only 59p and these were 89p. Now, there are just no words for how beautiful these paper plates and cups actually are. I am going to have a barbecue on a sunny day and people will sit and they will admire my holographic plates. I hope all these are holographic. You know what these sorts of things are like? The first one is holographic and then like the ones behind are just like plain. I can confirm that all plates in the pack are holographic. These are just incredible. I went into Home Bargains looking for another jar candle. I'm a big fan of their pink rhubarb and pear and I wanted another one of those. They've got one left. But on the shelf below, they got a new variety. This is a cocktails trio scented candle and it's lemon sorbet, margarita, pina colada and peach bellini. And oh my gosh, this smells absolutely incredible. It is just super duper fruity. It's amazing. So I actually got this one instead of another pink grapefruit and pear just to like mix it up a bit, but the colours are so spring-like, they're so summery. This would be perfect if you're having like an outdoor barbecue or something, just to be burning somewhere safe, like a roundabout, just to give a bit of ambiance. These do really smell incredible. I don't know, I only saw this one, so I don't know if there's any more in the range than just this one, but this is just incredible and it was £2.99, the same as the normal jar candles. It's about the same size, just in a different shaped jar, but absolutely love it. So do give these a try. Oh, can you feel the coming of homewares? Can you smell it? For our dining room table, I have what I thought at the time were nice, floppy placemats. They're not nice, they are hideous. I don't know what I was thinking. So in Home Bargains, I picked up these gold glittery ones with the matching coasters to go on our dining room table. These are just gold glitter. I find it's quite hard to find gold placemats, so when I saw them I thought I've got to pick them up. These were £3.99 and these were £1.79, but hopefully they'll be a lot longer lasting than the floppy jobbies we've already got and look a hell of a lot more attractive. Yeah, these are proper placemats that you can actually wipe clean. The floppy ones have got like this weird texture and it's so hard to like scrub anything out of them. I just hate them. I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, these are going to replace them and hopefully these will be a lot more attractive. And the whole fact that they're glittery just makes them an 11 out of 10. Are you sitting comfortably? Are you ready for this? This is probably the most incredible thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a neon rainbow light and this is going to go in Dolph's room. It requires 3 AA batteries, but this was £2.99 and it's so beautiful, of the rainbow goodness. I've been obsessed with rainbow stuff just recently. This was in the unicorn section, which I spent far longer than was like socially acceptable perusing. But this was the last one, and you know when you have that moment and you're just like, no. That was me trying to get this. They had got one similar to this but it was in the lighting section. It was on kind of like a wooden plinth, which I didn't like just as much. This one is just kind of white and there's nothing, like it just stands up on its own, like so. So you can kind of pop it anywhere, put some batteries in it, your world is rainbow coloured. So I don't know out the next two which one I'm more excited about, so I'll show you the one for our bedroom first. So our bedroom is really lacking in something. Mind out the gutters, people, I mean in the decor sense. From a kind of decor perspective, our bedroom, it's really, I don't know what to do with it. I just can't get to a point where I'm happy with it. So I bought a new bedding set from B&M, which I really loved. It's like a champagne crushed velvet. So from Home Bargains I bought this. This is a luxury runner. It's 50 centimetres by 220 centimetres, so it's narrow and long. So it's basically like a strip of material that you just chuck on over the bed. They did have the most beautiful kind of padded throws in crushed velvet, but one, they weren't very decorative, and sometimes I think you need a throw to be a bit of a contrast to your bedding. And secondly, I haven't got the time to start folding up throws and neatening all stuff up in the morning. This is just like, there you go, there's a picture. I just need a strip of material that I can throw over the bed and it looks pretty without me having to do too much folding or titivating. So I thought this was a great buy. This was $14.99. It is the crushed velvet. It's got like a sequin strip up it, which I thought was lovely. It just gives it that extra bit of added luxury and sparkle, which I absolutely love. So I'm hoping that when I do a little bit of a mini bedroom makeover, I can put the new bedspread on, a few scatter cushions and this, and hopefully that will make the bed look absolutely amazing. If it doesn't, I will probably cry because I hate that room and I just don't know what to do. So our spare bedroom is quite the opposite story. Apart from the colour, which it's my own fault because I just picked a pot of paint at random and was like, yeah, that looks the right colour, that'll do, without using testers. Always use testers, people. Don't assume the colour is the right colour. Don't go by the colour on the tin. Apart from that, I'm pretty pleased with how our spare room looks, and I have found the perfect bedding set and curtains and all sorts of things to kind of match. The only thing I needed was a throw. So in Home Bargains for $24.99, I picked up this. It is the most beautiful, like, padded texture, which I think already makes it look really luxurious and expensive, but it's also like a really nice, like, sheeny silvery white colour, which I just think is absolutely beautiful. And just thrown over the end of the bed, I hope this will make it look really luxurious. I do like the knitted ones, but with the dog it's just not going to work. I need something that I can throw in the washing machine and clean. It did come in a more of a grey and a baby pink as well, which I looked at all three of them and all three were lovely, but this one I just thought would really blend with the colour of the room. So I'm hoping this will just finish off the bed in there really nicely. I might do a video about kind of these rooms and like a mini makeover type thing. But yeah, this is by Ports of Call by Jeff Banks. It's Vella, so it's really soft. And yeah, I just thought for $24.99 that was an absolute bargain, because I've looked at throws in other shops and I haven't seen anything really this quality for this price. So that's everything I got from Home Bargains. I'm really looking forward to doing up the bedroom and putting these throws on the bed and all that sort of stuff. I might put some pictures on Instagram. If you do want to follow me on Instagram, I'll put my handle thing here. I'd love to see you over there as well. I do try and post as regularly as I can. I'm not great at it, I do work full time, but I'm hoping to get better. I'm looking forward to putting all these bits and pieces into place. I'm looking forward to throwing some parties so I can use up the many paper plates that I have collected for various occasions. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next one. If you do want to join my little community, then I would absolutely love to have you here. I really appreciate the support every single one of you give to me. It means the absolute world, and our little community is growing. I'm hoping to keep growing my channel. I love talking to you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.